This article is one of many articles being produced in biology where we are finding that these nano machines, they are very, very small machines found in cells, perform amazing functions. And they could really only come about by a very intelligent creator. So here's a particular issue that has to be addressed. Imagine trying to fit 2 meters of rope into a space much smaller than the tip of a needle. That's the challenge every cell in your body faces when packing its DNA into a tiny nucleus. So there's the challenge. You see, you have to compact this extraordinarily long DNA into a very, very tiny space, the nucleus. And that's why I said it's like fitting 2 meters of rope into a space smaller than the tip of a needle. What's interesting is the writer of the article who's studying this whole issue of how this can be accomplished, then goes on to say the following. To achieve this, nature employs ingenious strategies like twisting the DNA into coils of coils, so-called supercoils, and wrapping it around special proteins for compact storage. But you see, nature can't do that. A creator can, but nature can't. And this assigning to nature supernatural qualities really isn't acceptable science. And what we're seeing is very often, by sleight of hand, the scientists will write a report describing accurately what they see, but insert nature as being the person or being or thing or force that achieves these miraculously impossible solutions to very major problems. The actual solution, and the person who did that, was God. And God is the one who has the intelligence, the capacity, the foresight, the planning to be able to create supercoils and anything else like the nanomachines that we find inside every molecule, every cell. And this is what we often find is confusing. We read these incredibly complicated accounts, and then the scientists say, and nature did it, as if that's an explanation. No. Wherever you read that, and nature did it, you'd better substitute, and God did it. That is a much more logical and valid way of looking at it. And we should give glory to God, who is the creator and maker of all things. Well, thank you for listening.